In a world where electric trucks are often associated with sky-high prices, excessive tech features, and complex designs, there's a new player on the block that's shaking things up. Meet the Slate Truck, a minimalist electric pickup that's here to offer something simple, affordable, and incredibly customizable. And if you thought electric trucks had to be expensive, think again. With a starting price of under $27,500, this new truck could be the game changer the EV world has been waiting for. As more manufacturers pump out high-tech electric vehicles packed with features that many consumers don't need, Slate is taking a different approach. It's about time the truck market had a vehicle that's more focused on practicality, flexibility, and, most importantly, affordability. Plus, its unique design and business model could shake up the entire industry. Slate Auto, the company behind this innovative vehicle, was founded in 2022 and quickly became a frontrunner in the EV market for its minimalist approach. Backed by Amazon's Jeff Bezos and led by CEO Chris Barman, a former VP at Chrysler, Slate is bringing manufacturing jobs back to America. While traditional automakers focus on complexity, Slate is doing the opposite, simplifying the process and offering a vehicle that's both affordable and customizable. Slate Auto isn't just about building a truck, they're creating a whole new way of thinking about transportation. The company is focused on delivering an electric truck that doesn't break the bank but still delivers solid performance, reliability, and practicality. Unlike many EV companies targeting luxury buyers, Slate's target customer is more in line with the everyday worker, the hourly wage earner who needs a dependable vehicle for work and play. But what truly sets Slate apart is their DIY University, an educational platform where owners can learn how to maintain, repair, and even upgrade their trucks themselves. This strategy empowers drivers and creates a more hands-on, affordable ownership experience, unlike any other automaker offering today. When you think of electric trucks, you probably imagine high price tags, maybe $50,000 or more. But what if I told you that the base model of the Slate Truck starts at just $27,500, and with federal EV incentives, that price could dip below $20,000? Yeah, you heard that right, an electric pickup truck for under $20K. How does Slate keep costs so low? Through their DMFA, or Direct Modular Frame Assembly System, Slate reduces production costs by simplifying the manufacturing process. Rather than using thousands of parts, Slate's design utilizes just 500 unique parts, reducing labor, sourcing costs, and the price tag for customers. It's a return to simplicity, and that's exactly how Slate makes the future of EV trucks accessible to the everyday consumer. And the simplicity doesn't stop there. With the modular design, Slate can easily swap out parts and reconfigure production, which also reduces repair cost over the truck's lifetime. For example, the instrument panel consists of just 7 parts, compared to a typical vehicle's much more complex and expensive instrument clusters. Let's talk about performance. The Slate Truck is powered by a single 201 horsepower motor with 215 pound-feet of torque, making it more than capable of handling the demands of daily use, whether that's running errands, hauling gear, or simply getting around town. But don't let the modest specs fool you. This is a well-balanced truck that delivers efficiency without sacrificing power. The 0 to 60 miles per hour time comes in at 8 seconds, which is more than enough for most truck owners. Need to go faster? The top speed is 92 miles per hour, making it suitable for highway driving and fast-paced urban commutes. For a work truck designed with everyday tasks in mind, this level of performance strikes the perfect balance. Now let's talk about range. The base 52.7 kilowatt-hour battery pack delivers a range of 150 miles, which is ideal for everyday driving. For those needing a bit more range, the optional 84.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack gives you an impressive 240 miles. A great option for those longer weekend trips or work days where you need to go further than usual. The Slate's battery will charge via a NACS charging port at the rear of the truck and will charge to 80% in about 30 minutes. The Slate Truck's range and performance are tailored to match the needs of those who don't need extravagant features, but simply want a reliable, affordable electric truck that gets the job done. For anyone who needs a bit of towing capability, the Slate Truck won't disappoint. It's designed to pull up to 1,000 pounds, perfect for hauling smaller trailers, recreational vehicles, or work equipment. And despite its compact size, it's built tough, with molded-in-color composite body panels, making it incredibly durable and resistant to dents. At 175 inches in length, the Slate Truck is 2 feet shorter than the Ford Maverick, making it a highly maneuverable option for city driving or tight parking situations. But despite its smaller size, the Slate Truck still features a 5-foot bed, which is actually longer than the Maverick's bed, giving you plenty of room for gear, tools, or whatever you need to haul. Slate didn't skimp on functionality. While it's smaller than many other trucks, it's incredibly versatile. Inside the Slate Truck, you won't find high-tech screens, complex infotainment systems, or 1,000 buttons. Instead, it has a phone mount on the dash, so you can use your phone. It's built with hand crank windows, just like the good old days. And while some might see that as a throwback, it's a nod to the truck's simplicity. Nothing unnecessary, just functionality. But don't worry, air conditioning is standard equipment, keeping things cool when the temperature rises. The interior is designed to be as simple as the exterior, featuring just 7 parts for the dashboard and 10 parts for the door panels. Everything is intuitive and easy to maintain, perfect for those who want a functional, no-frills vehicle. Slate Auto isn't just about simplicity for the sake of nostalgia. Their approach to simplicity is about reducing maintenance costs, keeping ownership affordable, and eliminating the complexity that many drivers don't need. One of the standout features of the Slate Truck is the ability to customize it to your heart's content. Slate offers over 100 accessories, from vinyl wraps for the exterior panels and wheels to interior upgrades. You'll even have the ability to convert the truck into a 5-seat SUV. Plus, Slate's DIY University platform teaches owners how to perform repairs and maintenance on their own, allowing them to save money and get involved in their truck's upkeep. The strategy is not just about affordability, it's about empowerment. But the customization doesn't stop there. Slate will even offer 3D printed parts to allow owners to design and print custom features, meaning you can literally build your dream truck over time, piece by piece. This level of customization is rare in the automotive world and showcases Slate's commitment to giving customers the tools to personalize their vehicles. Slate's modular design isn't just efficient, it's also revolutionary. With only 500 unique parts needed to assemble the truck, it's a sharp contrast to traditional trucks, which require over 2,500 parts. This streamlined production process means fewer parts to stock, fewer suppliers to deal with, and ultimately a much lower price tag for customers. By simplifying the assembly process, Slate is able to keep production costs low, making their electric trucks much more affordable. And this is just one example of how modular design isn't just a design choice, but a business strategy that benefits the consumer. This approach cuts costs, speeds up production, and brings jobs back to America. Another major win for the Slate Truck and its mission to reinvigorate the U.S. manufacturing industry. With a new factory and tooling already underway, Slate aims to revolutionize the electric vehicle market one truck at a time. Production of the Slate Truck is slated to begin in late 2026, and the company plans to produce up to 150,000 units annually. With the direct-to-consumer model, Slate will be able to offer competitive pricing and eliminate the middleman, making their trucks more accessible than ever before. Slate's unique business model will disrupt the current dealership network, offering an alternative to the traditional expensive sales process. The company's focus on modular design and affordable pricing makes it one of the most innovative entries into the electric vehicle market. The Slate Truck is the embodiment of KISS, or Keep It Simple, Stupid, a revolutionary new way to think about electric vehicles. From its straightforward design and performance to its low-cost production and customization options, the Slate Truck is positioned to change the electric truck market forever. With its affordability, simplicity, and customization, the Slate Truck could become the go-to choice for people who need an electric truck that doesn't break the bank. It's a truck that works for everyone, from hourly wage earners to early adopters, and it's setting a new standard for what electric vehicles can be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about the Slate Truck, and stay tuned for more updates as it gets closer to production.